This is a meditation on abundance. Get into a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Place one hand on your abdomen and one on your chest. With every inhalation, belly rises, then chest rises. With every exhalation, chest falls, belly falls. Inhale, belly rises, chest rises. Exhale, chest falls, belly falls. Inhale, positive energy. Exhale, negative energy. Inhale the new. Exhale the old. Inhale love. And exhale love. Take your awareness to any point of contact your body has with your seat. Notice if there's any smells in the room. Notice if there's any sounds in the room. Notice if there's any taste in your mouth. Begin to visualize in your mind's eye that all emails, phone calls, and text messages have been answered. All deadlines have been reached. See your computer or laptop shutting down, your TV unplugging, and your phone switching off. Disconnect from the physical world and now connect with yourself. Connect with your soul, your spirit, your true character. You don't need to be doing anything right now. You don't need to be thinking about anything. You don't need to be planning. You don't need to be busy or productive right now. Deep breath in and out. Let go of the need to control. Let go of the need to always be productive. Let go of the attachment to outcome. Let go of comparing yourself to others. Let go of worry, anxiety, and tension. Let go of wishing you were better. Give your body permission to relax. Give your mind permission to turn off and rest. Go home, back to yourself, to your true character. Deep breath in and out. Imagine all your thoughts slowing down and floating away. Allow the sound of my voice to guide you into a higher state of wisdom, consciousness, and abundance. Now begin to visualize you're walking through the woods and you encounter a meadow covered in lush green grass, colorful flowers, and singing birds. This meadow is owned by you, and you are free to do as you wish in your sacred meadow. Begin to walk through the meadow, Feel the grass beneath your feet. Notice how relaxed you feel in this meadow. Look up at the sky and notice how clear the sky is. The sun is out above you, and you feel its warmth on your skin. Visualize the sun pouring warm, golden liquid sunshine down onto you. The golden light gently falls onto your head, down your arms, core, down your legs and feet. And as this liquid sunshine pours onto you, it cleanses you of all limiting beliefs, fears, resentments, and above all, feelings of lack and scarcity. Feel all of these feelings being washed away. Notice if there's anything else that washes away or dissolves. Deep breath in and out. Now place your hands on your chest and repeat the following affirmations into your heart so they can be firmly embedded into your consciousness. I release all limiting ideas and beliefs of lack in my life. I open myself to receive an infinite divine abundance. I choose and accept an abundance of prosperity, loving relationships, and good health in my life now. I am worthy of giving and receiving infinite love. I am prosperous in wealth, love, and health. I am worthy to receive abundance every day. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me. Have a mindful day and live a mindful life.